Hello everyone, now we are checking the assignment sent by our student. As you know already that we have the one-to-one batch also, like who want one-to-one CCNA or CCNP, they can join. Already student join and now we are full. So currently we are not taking any one-to-one also, maybe after 3 months we will take. So anyhow we give the assignment to the student and they finish. So now we are checking that one. Here I am checking whatever they done correct or not. If it is not correct, then we will see how we can fix. We will do the troubleshooting. Okay, so simple how I will check. First of all, what is this lab? This is a OSPF multi-area lab. If you see, this is a OSPF multi-area lab. What I will do here, I will go here and then I will ping. You can say I have one interface here 3.3.3. It is in area 1 and you have area 0 and area 2. So I am trying to ping from area 1 to area 2 network. And let's see reply is coming or not. If reply is coming means most of the thing will be okay. If reply is not coming, then we need to check what is the issue. So I ping here. If you see, I wrote here ping 4.4.4 from here and we are checking here. So if reply is not coming, then we need to check what is the issue and we need to fix that one. So you can see here reply is not coming. I ping this 4.4.4 from the router R1. And if you want, we can, if you can see here we are pinging and it is not working. So you can write show IP route and check the routes are coming or not. Here you are not getting any route also. Any route are not coming. So you need to check OSPF is enabled or not here. So you can write show IP protocol. So you can see protocol is here enable. When I write here show IP protocol, you can see routing protocol OSPF 1. It is showing here this one. Now I will see whatever interface is advertised. Show IP OSPF interface brief. With this command I will check whatever interface is advertised in the OSPF in this router. So if you see F0 by 0 and loopback 0, these two interface advertised in the router. Okay, so this one is good. Now I need to check here what issue we have because nothing is coming from this side to this. No routes are getting here. So what I can do, I can trace route also. I will write trace route 4.4.4 like this. So it will not go because we don't have any route. It will drop here only because nothing is coming here. If you see when I write show IP route, when I write here show IP route, you are not getting any routes here. If you see this place, I am saying this place nothing is coming. So we need to go to this router and we need to check here what we have. If you see here what error we have here, mismatch area ID. You can see here what error we are getting. We are getting mismatch area ID here. Okay. So we need to fix these types of issue. So first of all, how we will fix means we will go here. I will write here mismatch area ID. So the guy who configure, maybe he put wrong area, because if you remember, whenever you are configuring the OSPF, the area between the directly connected link should be same. So this guy put something wrong, that's why you are getting mismatch area. So if you are configuring OSPF from here to here, this and this both should have area 1. If you put this in area 1, this in area 0, then it will not work. Okay. So this is one point you need to remember. Now let's see what he configure. You can check also here also. You can go here. I will break this sequence. Let me go here. I will write here. And I will do fast forward and I will check here. It is going, let it be go. We will check here what issue we have here. I can write show run section. Okay, router OSPF. So if you see here, you have router OSPF 1. And here if you see mismatch area ID. And you are getting here, so what you can see, you can write show run pipe section IP OSPF. I will check here, see here. So he advertised one area as area 1, another is area 0. I am checking here. So what I can do in simple, I can write show run and press enter, and you can check here. Like you can see here, I am here in this router. You have F0 by 1. This is the interface F0 by 1. Here he put IP OSPF 1 area 0, because here directly connected will be area 0. So this one is good, no problem. But here you can see in this site you need to look. In this site you have interface F0 by 0. So he put IP OSPF 1 area 1, because here we are using area 1. So this one is good, no problem here. So something wrong here maybe in this router. Okay, something wrong in this router. Maybe he put here area 0. We need to do the troubleshooting. And we need to stop this one, this one. So let me go here and I can press here, or the another way you can reboot the router, restart the router, and we can check. Or there is option we can put Control Shift X. So anyhow, I reboot this router. We need to check in this router what area he configured. Here is okay, only something wrong here we need to check. So I will go here and I can write show run and I can check here. If you see here, he configure what area 0, and here he configure what area 0. So this is the issue, this is a problem. See what is the problem here. We have this interface F0 by 0, this one he put in area 0, and this loopback 0, this interface he put in area 0. Why he put in area 0? Because this is a area 1. Here he put in area 1. So here also area 1, here also area 1. This is all should be area 1 only. So this is a mistake. We will correct now this. Okay. So because if you learn with us, we will give you assignment. So you will do and you will submit to us. We will check and we will guide you what mistake you done, how you can fix. Okay. So let's do now. So I will write here interface F0 by 0. I wrote here interface F0 by 0. Here I will write IP OSPF 1 area 1. Then after that what I will do, interface F, not F, here you have loopback 0. Okay, interface loopback 0 IP OSPF 1 area 1. See, when I corrected, neighborship is forming now. So now you can check. If you write show IP root and check here, still you don't have any root. Show IP root, it will take some time, but let's see. If you write show IP OSPF neighbor, you are getting the neighbor. You have the neighbor here. Okay, this is the neighbor. 23.1 is the neighbor ID here. And you can write show IP OSPF database, and you have the database table also. Here you have lot of thing, because we are using the multi area. So area 0 is having this router LSA, and area 0 is having the summary network LSA. Area 1 is having the router LSA, and area 1 is having summary LSA, network LSA and summary LSA. Okay, so let's see, do we have root or not? If you see, I am not getting the root in the R1. In the R1 I am not getting the root, but what you have here, you have here only neighborship. If you write show IP OSPF neighbor, you are getting the neighbor, you are having the database table. Okay, but the problem here, what? You are not getting the, here you are not getting the root in the routing table. So how to fix that one? We need to check that one. So let's go and check. Okay, again we need to check what is the issue, why it is not coming. We will go and we will check now. So this will help you to understand. That's why I am putting this video on the YouTube, so you can easily understand also. Roots we are not getting, so let's go, and you need to check this way also. If you write show run and you go here and check here interface, they are using this interface. Okay, and 12.1 assign here 12.1, and this is a interface and subnet mask here. And now go here and check here. Here you have some other error now, or before you have something. Let's see. Now I will write here show run and we will check the interface. If you see here, this one is good only. Interface F0/0, IP address 192.168.12.2, and this is subnet mask, so this one is good. And here F0/1 you have 192.168.23.1, and this is the subnet mask. Okay, and look good here also. And what else we can check here? Let's see. I can write here show IP OSPF interface brief. So these two interface are in the OSPF. Show IP interface brief. So everything look good. And here we need to check the other side also. So let's see here. Okay, here, okay, this one is good. And this one is also good here, this side, and interface is also up, OSPF is also there. So we should get the root here, but here we are not getting the root, so we need to check, we need to do the troubleshooting. Show IP root, I am not getting the root. So anyhow, let me check here also, then we will come back there why it is not getting. Maybe he changed any hello timer or anything, we need to check that later. Show IP interface brief. If you see, I am in this router, F0/0 is connected to this one, so 23.2, and this is 34.1, and I can check the configuration here. If you see what I am getting, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, this is the IP 23.2, okay, and here you enable area 0 here, and this one is 34.1 and area 2, so this is also good. Okay, I will save the configuration, clear IP OSPF process. I will do this one and we will check the root also. Here we are getting the root or not, let's see here also. Show IP root. Here I am getting the root in the R2, so R2 is not sending in R1, we need to check, because here in the R1 we are not getting root, but in R2 we are getting the root. So here in R2, if you see what root you are getting this 3.network also, this one also, and this one 4.network also you are getting this one, and this 34.2, this one. So these all are receiving here, but why he is not sending here? So what you need to check, maybe he apply any ACL to block the root. Maybe there is some, what we can say, he applies some conditions. We need to check that one and fix this, because this LAN should ping to this LAN. You need to do that way. From here I can see like 3.3.3 I will ping, and let's see here 3.3.3 is pinging. This is 3. How it is working, why we are not getting here? So let me save, because sometimes you have the bug in Packet Tracer also, especially when you are doing OSPF. Sometimes you have the issue when you do multi-area lab, so you need to reboot the router. In the Packet Tracer we are getting this issue in this version, so we can check that also now. And now we can check here, show IP root. See, now roots are coming. What I done, just I reload the router. Before there is a issue, let me explain you now. Now it is working, everything is coming. Now if you ping this 4.4.4, it will work. Okay, 4.4.4 is working. From here to here it is working. Before it is not working. Okay, I will teach you what is the issue before. So issue was, he do misconfiguration. He put here this is area 1, but he assigned this interface in area 1, no problem, that is good. But this interface also should be in the area 1. This interface should also be in the area 1. But he put this in area 0. And this also area 0. That's why it is not working. So I move this from area 0 to area 1. I move this also area 1. After that also it is not working, so I reload the router. Okay, you can write clear IP OSPF process and reset the OSPF and check. If it is not working, reload, because I observe in this packet tracer this version we are getting this issue. When we configure the multi-area, we are facing this issue. When we reboot, it is working. So I reload the router, after that it is working. So now you have the route. If you write show IP route, you are getting all routes here. And if you go here, from here to there, you can ping or not, you can check also. From this side, ping 3.3.3.3 and see replies coming. So everything is working perfect. Everything he done good. Only he do misconfiguration here only. In this side he forget to assign area 1. He assigned area 0. That's why it's not working. Now we corrected and it is working perfectly. Okay, so let me end this session. I will share another guy assignment later. I will make the video so you can also understand and they can see the video and they can correct whatever mistakes they are doing. Anyhow, when I have the class with them, I am teaching them, I am correcting them there also. But anyhow, whoever is unable to join, they can watch this video and they can learn. Okay, thank you, bye.